what is the 0th root of 4? Then let's have it to be solution. Then from here, let us recall from the limit of a function. When we have the limit of nth root of 4 at n tends to 0 from the right. So we are going to have this as the limit of 4 to the power of 1 over n at n tends to 0 from the right. So this will be equals, as n tends to 0 from the right, from here, we are going to have this to be 4 to the power of infinity. Then, when n tends to 0 from the right, 4 to the power of 1 over n will be 4 to the power of infinity. And 4 to the power of infinity, this will still give us infinity. Likewise, when we also have the limits of nth root of 4 at n tends to 0 from the left. So we are going to have this as limit of 4 to the power of 1 over n at n tends to 0 from the left. This will be equals 4 to the power of minus infinity. And 4 to the power of minus infinity, this will give us 0. Now, since the left hand side of this does not equal to the side of this one, that is, at n tends to 0 from the right does not equal to at n tends to 0 from the left. This implies that the nth root of 4 has no solution, that is, it is undefined. So therefore, we can now conclude that 0th root of 4 is undefined. And the reason is that the limit of nth root of 4 at n tends to 0 from the right does not equal to the limit of nth root of 4 at n tends to 0 from the left. So therefore, the limit at n tends to 0 of nth root of 4 is always undefined.